Welcome to the RSA demonstration. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour on how to create surveys and polls. Feel free to navigate and explore your options afterward. Let's begin. Once you're logged into your account, I need you to look at the top center of your screen. You should find the Create Polls and Create Surveys tools. Needless to say, you just have to click either these two buttons to create poll or survey. Let's start with surveys. Up here on the left is where you have to add your survey title. A little below that will be your widgets. Once you hover your mouse to a specific widget, a question mark icon pops up. Run over your mouse to that icon so you'll find an example of that type of questioning method. You can click the widget or you can drag and drop the widget in the middle of your screen. Either way, you'll still have those questions in your survey. At the upper right, you will find that you're currently in the survey fields area. Click the survey settings to find more options. In here, you will find the option to either show or hide a survey title, show or hide your survey description, and if you will allow multiple submissions by one person. Another familiar thing here is the Assign to Landing Page field. We have seen this field before when we created a page. Moving on, you can create your own survey URL. This can be your survey title without spaces or something else. You can input a survey description in this area. You can add a header image by clicking Show, so you'll have to find the option to upload image. Now once you're sold out that you have just perfected your survey, you can then click the Publish Survey button at the upper right. I have here opened in another window the Create New Poll tool. Please take a look how the widgets get fewer around here compared to the survey tool. Here are your widgets for the survey, and here are your widgets for the poll. I think it is important to note that a poll is a simpler type of questionnaire that can be completed in seconds, while surveys require a little more time from the participants since the survey questions are designed to gather information. Hence, the fewer widgets. Also, if we continue to poll settings, we can only see the Allow Multiple Submissions option and the Assign to Landing Page field. And just like creating the survey, click the Publish Poll button whenever you are ready.